in this video, I'm going to do a table setting for Christmas for 3 persons because we're only 3 in our family. And it will be a simple that anyone can do it. And it's very affordable because you can, our plates are from the Dollar Tree. The placemats are from 99 cents only store. You don't really have to break your bank just to have the Christmas vibe or like the glamorous one to put on your table setting. So let's do it. Here's what I did. You can add also a bowl on it, but I decided to put this salad plate instead. And this one, it looks really real, but then it's plastic. And then on the center, you can put your like ornaments like the snowflakes or the lantern, a lot of cute ornaments from Dollar Tree, but I decided to put this Ferrero chocolate in the middle, and this poinsettia, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it looks really festive. Okay, you can hear at the background the puppies they're not really fighting, they're just playing. You need to take a bath, guys. And now in my centerpiece, this is a garland actually from Dollar Tree, but then I don't really have any use for it, so I decided just to put this in a cake stand which I bought like a year ago from Target Dollar Spot. And then these flowers is like I just took it out from this one, is the bouquet. I think this one it is, and the other one is, I think this one is the bouquet, and this poinsettias, or this one, mini ones. I just took them out and just put it there. I didn't even glue them. I just like put the hooks, the ornament hooks. They're fighting again. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for my table setting. Hope you guys like this video and see you in our next one. Bye!